BSLK stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is bold projects holding stock a buy. I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief short 1 minute video. Now, I'm the only guy in this space doing 43,000 videos over 5 years, and I'm not even again exaggerating, it's all on my YouTube channel. And with this is just, I had like a bearish idea and bias. It began when it was 359, went to 220. We're sort of hovering around the same point here. I would still say, man, the biggest fact, it's not the best price action, because what the hell is this? It's just all over the place. The fuck? Not a clear supply zone. Well, yeah, I'm rolling with a double break here, and if there is like some sort of second shift, I'm still looking to take it down. And if not, I don't quite care. So I've got 3 results in the Discord here. If you want to get my money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description and I'll continue to keep you updated.